What's that one dish that you make every summer when mangoes are in season? For me, it's mango firni. The recipe steps are very similar to the traditional firni recipe, so let's take a look. Firstly, take 1/4 cup basmati rice, wash it couple of times in water and soak for 30 minutes. Then discard the water, add the soaked rice to a mixing jar and grind to a coarse paste and keep it aside. Take 1 liter full fat milk in a thick bottomed kadai or pan and boil it on low to medium flame for 10 minutes by stirring occasionally. Once the milk comes to a boil, take around 2 tablespoons of milk in a bowl, add a pinch of saffron strands, mix and keep aside. Now reduce the heat to low, add the coarse rice paste and keep stirring it continuously to avoid any lump. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the rice granules are completely cooked. Keep scraping the sides of the pan and add the solidified milk back to the pan. You have to stir it continuously so that the firni does not brown or burn from the base. Add 1/4 cup sugar and the saffron milk that we made earlier and mix till the milk thickens. Once the firni reaches a pudding-like consistency, add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix. Now take it off the heat and let it cool down completely. Meanwhile, let's prepare a mango puree. Take 2 sweet ripe mangoes, peel and chop it into small cubes. Keep some chopped mangoes for garnishing and grind the rest to a smooth puree. I'll be adding around 3/4 cup of mango puree to the firni and mix it well. You can always add more or less puree according to your taste. If you feel the firni is too thick, then you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm milk to it. Now refrigerate the firni for 3 to 4 hours or at least 30 to 40 minutes if you are in a hurry. Garnish the chilled firni with chopped mangoes, pistachio and dried rose petals, which is optional, and enjoy. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow on Instagram. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.